Hello student, welcome to the video and today I'll explain you how the early humans used to obtain food. See, from now since I have told you the whole flow chart from the primates till the Homo sapiens. So with the this topic I'm covering every part of the early humans, whether it is primate or the Homo sapiens, Homo erectus or Homo habilis. But what was the common method they used to do, they used to acquire to obtain food? The first, the earliest one, when they were not having, I'm talking about the hominoids or hominids, early hominids, they used to gather the food. Means they could not hunt, their hands were not that dexterous. So what they used to do, they used to gather. Means they used to walk and they used to gather the roots, the fruits, the leaves, the other things. And these, how can we know? See, gathered food could not be, remains of gathered food we have not found in apple number, but how the carbonized um, remained, which was like charred and they burned in the night when they were eating, it got burnt and it became carbonized. That is called when a food item has been burnt in the fire, it has been carbonized, and that had we have found in few places, and that shows that they used to gather, they used to gather, they used to collect, and they used to distribute and eat. Now when they started, and then in this time they used to do one more thing, that is known as scavenging. See, till the date they were not bipedal, their hands were not dexterous, their tools were not that sharp that they could hunt. Means to hunt they need spears, they need um, bow and arrow. For this they have to see that they should have good tools, they should be bipedal. See, quadrupeds could not hunt. So till that time when they were not that developed, their backbone, their hands, their brain, their thinking power has not developed, that surveillance they could not do. So that till that date they used to scavenging. Scavenging, two things, two possibilities are there. First, they used to eat animals they have died naturally. Means they have died and they are fresh, and they used to collect, or that animal they used to use in their food item, and they used to meet their demand of food. Or it might be possible, like predators are like king of this forest, lion, tiger, these animals, the predators, they hunt and they don't eat the whole meat, the whole animal. So whatever they used to eat, and they used to leave the prey, and that was the left meat by these predators has been used for the early humans to eat. Okay, now third is hunting. Hunting is for the after the hominoids, means the Homo habilis, the Homo erectus. They were the people who were bipedal, use their hands. Hands were free to do many things, and that hand could be used for making tools. And tools, not only the brains should be there. See, hunting need thinking, hunting need planning, hunting need good tools. When they developed this much, then they started hunting and they hunted, and we have found many tools, many spears, bow, arrow, and other means hunted animals, that the remaining of hunted animals, like we have found in southern England, which is Bongrove, then Skonzigen, that Germany, 5 lakh years ago, 4 lakh years ago. In this time, see, this era also coincides with the homos. So hunting, scavenging, gathering, scavenging, then hunting, and then the fishing. Many places where we found the remains, we have found like lots of bones together, then means the remainings of the carbonized things. So we have found that or fish bones have been found, that and that have been found nearby the river. So they maybe because water was available and they have done the fishing. So they, with the span of time, they learned fishing also, means the thinking power has developed among the early humans. So altogether there were four ways of obtaining food. First was gathering, second was scavenging, third was hunting, and fourth was fishing. Then the invention of fire took place. What happened? They used to make the tools, and while making the tools, we have to use perhaps, because we are not having the evidences. So perhaps what happened when making the tool, they saw that when the tools, that stone on stone method, when they were using, they saw that when they rub the stone, the pebbles, a particular pebble, then the fire can be burnt. The fire, they said that they have seen, then they used, the hay was there or maybe the remains were there, and they used it, and they invented how fire could be lit. So invention of fire, and that changed the whole scenario. Now they were very dependent. Their scavenging stopped, their gathering stopped. What they used to do, they used to hunt a big animal, they used to cook it in the fire, or the gathered seeds or fruits or the vegetables or the roots, and they used to keep it for the longer period of time. So they started being settled in a place for shorter period of time, and that was the time period when they started living life. And from the trees, on the trees they used to live, trees like the animals they used to live. Then below, under the tree, they made the huts. Then use of sickles, use of leaf, use of, even at times, use of the animal skin was there. Then they use, fire was having, I mean, there were many uses of fire. Like they used to protect themselves from cold, they protect themselves from animals, they protect themselves from any, means they used to believe like thundering, and then when they were not, could not understand what is happening, this fire used to make them confident that nothing is going, means the ill powers, the the things they could not understand. Fire made their life more easier, more settled, and they also started making good food, tasty food, and that too, they can keep the cooked food, the burnt food, for the longer period of time. That added a new chapter to the early humans' life. So, what were the other aspects and two theories of human evolution? I'll tell you in the next video. Thank you.